Allahu Allahu ya Rabbi ya Allah.
Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if somebody recites Sayyidul Astaghfar at night with firm faith and dies before the morning, he will be from the people of paradise. Sayyidul Astaghfar. Allahumma anta rabbi la ilaha illa ant khalaqtani wa ana abduk wa ana ala ahdika wa wa'dika mastata'at a'udhu bika min sharri ma sana'at abu'u laka bi ni'matika alayya wa abu'u laka bi dhanbi faghfir li fa innahu la yaghfiru dhunuba illa ant. O Allah, you are my Lord. None has the right to be worshipped except you. You created me, and I am your servant, and I obey to your covenant and promise as best as I can. I take refuge in you from the evil of which I committed. I acknowledge your favor upon me, and I acknowledge my sin. So forgive me. Indeed, none can forgive sins except you. Sahih Bukhari.